Few years ago, most people could sit and watch a full movie without touching their phone once. Now, people open Instagram during YouTube videos. They skip songs after 15 seconds, they check notifications while texting someone else. And somehow, nobody realizes how dangerous this has become. Today, focusing has started to feel like a superpower. But why? Why can't people focus anymore? Why does studying feel painful? Why do books feel boring? Why does the brain constantly search for distraction? The answer is psychological. Your brain has been trained to avoid slow rewards. Modern apps are designed to destroy attention. Every scroll gives the brain something new. New video, new face, new joke, new dopamine hit. And dopamine is important to understand. Dopamine is the chemical linked to motivation and reward. Years ago, people got dopamine slowly, achieving goals, learning skills, real conversations, exercise, progress. Now people get dopamine instantly, without effort. One swipe, one click, one notification. And slowly, the brain adapts to speed. This is called dopamine overstimulation. The brain becomes so used to fast entertainment that normal life starts feeling boring. That's why students open their phone after studying for only 5 minutes. That's why people can binge short videos for hours, but can't read 10 pages of a book. The brain is not weak, it's overstimulated. Imagine eating extremely sugary food every day. After some time, fruits won't taste sweet anymore. The same thing happens to the mind. After endless stimulation, silence feels uncomfortable. Learning feels slow. Patience disappears, and companies know this. Social media platforms compete for one thing: your attention. Because attention is profitable. The longer you stay distracted, the more money they make. That's why apps are designed with endless scrolling, autoplay, notifications, short, fast videos. Everything is built to keep your brain craving more. A teenager named Alex experienced this without realizing it. Every day, he said, "I need to focus." But every few minutes, he checked his phone, opened another tab, watched random videos, switched tasks constantly. At night he felt mentally exhausted, even though he accomplished almost nothing. One day he tried something simple. He sat in silence for 10 minutes without using his phone. And something shocking happened. He felt uncomfortable, restless. His brain kept begging for stimulation. That's when he realized, his mind was addicted to distraction, not entertainment, distraction. And there's a difference. Entertainment relaxes you temporarily. Distraction helps you avoid discomfort. That's why many people instantly grab their phone when they feel bored, stressed, lonely, anxious. The phone becomes an escape from reality. But escaping constantly weakens focus even more. Psychologists explain attention like a muscle. If constantly interrupted, it becomes weaker. But if trained properly, it becomes stronger again. The good news is, focus can be rebuilt. Alex started making small changes, not dramatic changes, small ones. He stopped using his phone during meals. He turned off notifications. He studied for 25 minutes without interruption. At first, it felt difficult, because his brain wanted quick dopamine again. But slowly, something changed. His mind became calmer. Books became easier to read. Conversations felt deeper. He could finally think clearly again. And most importantly, he stopped feeling mentally scattered all the time. That's the real solution people ignore. Focus doesn't return instantly. It returns when the brain relearns patience. Because concentration is not natural anymore. It's trained. And in a world designed to distract you, the ability to focus becomes a competitive advantage. The people who control their attention eventually control their life, too.